Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your SIS employee account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search sispayrollservices.co.uk. You'll be redirected to this login portal of the SIS employee account, where you can see on the second option there is employee. Just click go. Now you are redirected to the login portal where you simply have to enter your credential, which includes your email address and your password. In case you forgot your password, you can always click on the forgot password button. If not, then just click login and enjoy using SIS. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.